din dito.
Against the light.
We're with vlogger Abby Manso. Ba't hindi nakapokus? Anong cam to? Huwag niyo na bibili.
Naka-manual ata yan eh.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, good morning. I haven't vlogged. I mean, I vlogged yesterday, pero snippets lang. We're in Nagcarlan Forest Resort. We're celebrating my cousin's birthday. Hello, birthday girl! Or yung pinaka-highlight ng Nagcarlan is yung Batis. We went there yesterday and it was so freaking cold! It's 8:22 a.m. Having breakfast right now. Okay, so, we'll go out na. And then, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. I'm not even gonna show you our room anymore because it's so messy na. Yeah. This is the rooms. These are the rooms. Tapos, may rooms din dito. There's a pool here. Tapos, pagtawid mo sa kabilang side, there's another pool. And this is where we are gonna pass.
Hawakan mo kasi yung telepono niya sa loob ng ano.
Good morning!
Sa loob ng kwarto, pagpipis na sa labas.
Good morning!
Hi, good morning, sweet.
Good morning!
Good morning.
This is the restaurant. This is the... Andun yung rooms namin, dun tayo galing. Nandito yung rooms din ng family ko. Ito yung pool.